Hi everyone, this is Neha. I'm Yashvi's mom. In this video, I'm going to talk about Yashvi's current food eating habits. Like any other child, her day starts with a nice breakfast. Now, Yashvi has her own preferences. Although she is not a very fussy eater, but she likes to eat her own fixed food. So, generally, she likes to start her day with some chocos. It keeps changing, it depends. Sometimes I give her choco, sometimes I give her bread cheese, bread butter, sometimes I give her chila, sometimes I give her basin chila, oats chila, it depends. She generally takes everything and anything that I serve her in the morning. So right now she's eating chocos. So after that, I give her around 12ish. I give her some fruit. I try to have one or two fruits a day in her diet, which is very important. So right now she's eating lychee and apple as a fruit. So this is around 12ish. इससे पहले post chocos or post breakfast, I give her some nuts to eat in between also. Next is the lunchtime, guys, and in this, I try to make her sit with me. आजकल lockdown चल रहा है, so we have this privilege of having lunch together. But otherwise, ये scene generally dinner पे होता है because me and Yashi both are like 9 to 5 out of the house. So whenever we sit for lunch or dinner, I generally try to make her sit with me. मैं अपना खाना उसके सामने ही खाती हूँ. I think this has really benefited in, inculcating this eating habits in her. बच्चे मुझे लगता है इस एज के बहुत कुछ देख के सीखते हैं आपसे. So the way I eat and whatever I eat, she just observes and she tries to copy. And out of that copy thing, इसने खाना खाना सीख लिया है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो अभी भी जैसे आप देख रहे हैं that she is eating pulao with curd. So I'm eating my food, she's eating her food. She doesn't even let me touch her. Even if I try to, help her out with putting some curd or mixing some rice, she won't let me do it. She just wants to do it on her own. She thinks मैं अपना food खुद handle करूँगी, as like mama is doing her own food thing. सो देन कम्स द स्नैक्स टाइम. जनरली 5-5:30 जब चाय पीने का टाइम होता है. अब लॉकडाउन के दिन चल रहे हैं, सो बच्चा घर पर ही है और घर पे कुछ ना कुछ डिफरेंट आई ट्राई टू गिव देम. कभी सम कटलेट, कभी शी लव्स टू ईट पोटैटोज, तो मैं पोटैटोज फ्राइड करके वेरी लाइटली सॉल्टेड करके इनको दे देती हूँ. दे लव टू ईट दैट. समटाइम्स अगर चोकोज मॉर्निंग में नहीं खाए होते तो इवनिंग में ले लेते हैं. So apart from breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and evening snacks, I mean, Yashvi keeps munching throughout the day. Otherwise, also, kabhi namkeen, kabhi biscuit, kabhi chips, kabhi some nuts, kabhi ice cream, kabhi chocolates. I don't stop them from eating. I feel it is important for them to taste and enjoy food. हाँ, बस ये है कि आपको लिमिट में ही देना होता है. लाइक नॉट एवरी डे शी कैन हैव चॉकलेट. इट्स लाइक वन डे चॉकलेट, वन डे आइसक्रीम, समथिंग लाइक. मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों को हम अगर खुद ही सब कुछ दे दें तो वो इधर उधर देखने की कोशिश नहीं करते. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बच्चों को सब कुछ देना चाहिए. जस्ट दैट यू नीड टू बैलेंस आउट अ गुड कॉम्बिनेशन बिटवीन हेल्दी एंड जंक. देना तो सब कुछ ही है, एस्केप तो आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो. आप नहीं दोगे तो बच्चा किसी और का लेके खाएगा, स्कूल में खा लेगा. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप बच्चे को पूरा भरपूर अपने ही एंड पे सब कुछ प्रोवाइड